Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some cottagecore aesthetic home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Cottagecore aesthetic home decor is a style inspired by the romanticized idea of simple rural living, cozy cottages, and a slower, nature-connected lifestyle. It blends nostalgia, rustic charm, and comfort into a homey, whimsical space. Think of it as bringing the feeling of an English countryside cottage into your modern home. Here are the key elements of cottagecore aesthetic decor. Nature-inspired elements. Lots of plants, both indoor greenery and freshly cut wildflowers in jars or pitchers. Natural materials like wood, stone, linen, and wicker. Soft floral patterns on curtains, tablecloths, and bedding. Furniture and layout. Vintage or antique inspired furniture, often with distressed finishes. Wooden dining tables, spindle-back chairs, and cozy armchairs with slip covers. Open shelving in kitchens with neatly stacked ceramics, teapots, and jars. Color palette. Soft, muted, earthy colors. Cream, sage green, dusty rose, pale blue, and warm beige. Floral wallpapers or painted walls with gentle tones. Cozy and romantic touches. Handmade quilts, crocheted throws, embroidered pillow covers. Candles, lanterns, and fairy lights for a warm, glowing atmosphere. Open fireplaces or stoves as central cozy gathering points. Choose wooden furniture with a vintage or distressed look. Thrift or second-hand finds work perfectly. Layer cozy textiles, crochet throws, patchwork quilts, and embroidered cushions. Use slip covered in soft floral or gingham prints for chairs and sofas. Lighting and atmosphere. Use candles, fairy lights, and vintage lamps to create a soft, warm glow. Place lanterns or candle holders on mantels, shelves, or dining tables. If possible, make a fireplace or wood-burning stove the heart of the room. Use oven baskets for storing blankets, firewood, or fresh produce. Hang botanical prints, embroidery hoops, or frame pressed flowers on the walls. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.